Hello science people. We are going to take a look at temperature and why is it so cold in Minnesota versus someplace, I suppose it's nice, down South America way. Alright, so let's check out the setup for this angle of sunlight affecting temperature. Okay, so you're going to get one of these. Alright, I know you're going to volleyball it a little bit. Let's not spike it at each other, let's not throw it across the room. Keep it local. We are going to kind of use the ice cream bucket as a little bit of a stand. But if you recall seeing globes, the earth does not sit flat like this. Okay, we have to tilt it back. So I'm going to put North America here facing my heat lamp. Okay, this is the sun, in case you didn't know. All right, and then we're going to tilt it back. Now feel free to grab a protractor and take a look at one of the lines that are on here, and that should be tilted back about 25 degrees. Alright, so it doesn't have to be exact, but you should tilt it back. Alright, I'll tilt it in a second. I'm also going to get one of these. This is a LabQuest. And then I'm going to get two of these things. These are temperature probes, so they're thermometers basically. Alright, I'm going to plug one of them, oops, not there, into the number one spot there. Or is it over here? Yep. There's two spots on this thing, so try it until it fits. It won't go in both. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so this is the number one spot. So which one of these guys is my temperature probe? Alright. There it is. Now I'm going to get my tape that was hiding from me. And I'm going to tape my temperature probe up here on the northern end of the planet. And if you look here, I've got like the tip of the temperature probe basically by Minnesota. Alright. Now if you go straight south, we're in the ocean. So that's fine, but Argentina is pretty close. So we're going to think about Argentina versus Minnesota when we look at some of these differences. Alright. Remember, you'll have more than one person in your group, so that'll help. Now I'm going to plug this one into the number 2 slot. It says CH2. And I'm going to tape this, try to get it directly below where you put your first one. And Minnesota is about at 45 degrees north. So if you look on this globe, it has numbers on the lines. And so I can find about 45 degrees south down here. And I can tape the temperature probe on where I need that. Okay. So I've got one up on the north side. Okay, this is by Minnesota. And then I've got one straight south of that. There it is. On the south side. And they're both about the same distance from the equator. Now, when we get this set up, I tried some stuff with tape. It works okay. But you know what? Sometimes you just got to keep it simple. So, if you get that tilt of the earth, I'm just going to have somebody in your group hold it. Alright? You're only doing this for 3 minutes. If somebody can't hold this thing still for 3 minutes, alright, hit that gym. It's over by where the basketball court is. Alright, so this is tilted back. If you look on the screen, this thing will get started up and it'll give you two temperatures. Alright, number 1 will be up here and number 2 will be right there. Alright, so keep it tilted. Plug in your heat lamp. There's a little thing there. Mine's not plugged in. There's a little push button to turn it on. Do not touch that. Hot. Okay, put your hand here. It's okay. Feels warm. Do not touch that. No messing around. If you're screwing around, you push somebody into that and they touch it, they'll get burned. Alright? So you're going to have 3 minutes every 30 seconds. See what the temperatures say on the screen. Don't forget to record your temperatures that are on the screen right away at 0 seconds. Okay? And then you'll see here, number 1 is red, number 2 is blue. So number 1, number 2. Okay, get it set up. Let me know if you have any questions. When you're done, put everything back where you got it. Okay? Leave the heat lamps where you got it. They should stay on the table. All right. Good luck.